Talc powder can be used in rubber, plastic, paint, and other chemical industries as a strengthening modifier filler. Are you curious about how a talc ball press works? Clean up the debris of the talc powder ball press before starting the machine, fix the bolts, check whether the various bolts of the whole machine are loose and fall off, and remove the load before allowing the roller ball press to start. Second, when testing the talc ball press machine, first use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. When feeding the talc powder ball press, it should be ensured that the electric feeder is evenly fed and the electric feeder is adjusted to the best effect according to the warehouse pressure. After the end of each shift, all the materials in the silo of the talc powder ball press should be used up. No raw materials should be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. And finally, normal parking or emergency parking, contrary to the driving order, which is the workflow of the talc powder ball press.